Hello friends, today I will discuss about OnPassive. What is OnPassive? OnPassive is an IT company. So what does he do? What does it do? So OnPassive creates software. Examples O chat, O net, O wallet, O my life, O video email, etc. There are many products, so it is uh, pre-launching, and it is creates software. So at the present time, what is product of OnPassive? There are OMail, OChat, O video conferencing, etc. There are many product which is belongs to OnPassive company. So what is benefit for me? If you want to a member of OnPassive company, you should pay $97 only, because there are two types of founder which is selecting OnPassive. First, primary founder. Second, secondary founder. If you want to become a primary founder of this company, then you have to pay $97. And if you want to secondary founder become of this company, you have to pay $149. What is difference primary and secondary founder? So at the present time, the company is in pre-launching, so this is selecting a primary founder. And if you want a customer of this company, then after launch you can use of the product of this company. So at the present time, the company is selecting founder only. The time is limited for the founder. So what should we do? If I joined OnPassive, what can I do? So if you will join OnPassive, then you have a work. What is work? You can log in and log out your ID, and if you want to do work for OnPassive, you can join three people in your down and under you. So if you don't want to join three people, then the company will give you a team. Company will make a team for you. If you want do anything in this company, so you can do. You don't have any work, only you have participated in this company. Because you are a founder, you can be a 1% share of this company. You can earn unlimited money from this company. So how is possible unlimited money? This is a minimum time you can earn more to more money. Yes, this is possible. If you will join the as a founder, as a primary founder of this company, then you have to pay $97. And after launch, the company will take participate of customers. So what type of customer? They are use the products of OnPassive, the software of OnPassive. Example, you are using at the present time Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, etc. You can't get any benefit of this platform, of this product. If you want to use the software of OnPassive company, that then you can get more to more benefit. So let's we know how it earn. So if you will join as a founder, primary or secondary, anything. If you join as a founder, then company will give you, provides you a domain, website, and the company will market by your domain, by your website. Then this domain and website will create traffic, and traffic will create points. Then you can earn money from traffic. So the company will give you 1% share, and you can earn more to more money. You haven't do anything work in this company, only you have joined. If you have joined in this company, then you may be a founder, and you may be billionaire, millionaire. It is decided. So the poverty will be removed by the company on passive. So friends, if you want to join, go to description box and touch joining link and fill the form, and you can take registration. It is free. After launch, you haven't, and in future if you want to become a founder of this company, it is not possible, because founder become only one time if any company. So you should join now. What does company will do? Company is creating software at the present time, and it is making founder, and the platform of founder, it will be take video marketing, and it will total internet solution. In short form, I want to say on passive is a catmo. What is catmo? Complete internet solution. T for targeted traffic. MO for money. If you will join on passive will give you complete target. You can do anything advertised by on passive, like that your business which is legal. So if you are a shopkeeper, you want to advertise of your shop, then you have a platform of on passive, because on passive is giving you a domain name and website only $97. And after launch of this company, if you want to become a founder, it is not possible, or you cannot be a founder after marketing launch and public launch. So you should join now, because time is limited. If you want become a millionaire, billionaire, crorepati, then you can join on passive. You are doing networking, MLM, etc. You are not a winner. If you will join on passive, every person will be winner, because the slogan of on passive, you in it to win it. If you will in go founder on passive company, then you can win 100%, because this company is 100% automated, autopilot, and hands free technology. This technology is based on artificial intelligence, AI. So you should join now. For joining on passive, you have to pay $97 as a primary founder, and if you want to uh, become a founder of secondary, then you have to pay $149. Primary founder create secondary founder, and primary founder can join secondary founder. Secondary founder cannot join the primary founder. So in both you cannot become only one thing, as a primary founder or secondary founder. so you should pay. And if you are, suppose that you are a primary founder, so the time of marketing campaigns after launch, public launch of this company, you have to pay monthly subscriptions fees. It will be decided $100 to $250, and you have to pay every month this package. So only one time you have to pay from your packet. Only one time you have to pay monthly package from your side, and other month and second month will be start your income, because under you three people will join by the company. You don't have work for joining people under you. Your uh, join your under examples, you have joined and you have to pay $97. The company will starts public launch, then you have to pay one time, just example $200. Just example, after uh, end of month, under you will join three people by the company, and they will also pay $200. Then your traffic will be start, and you can get earning, and your earning will be start, and three people join under you. The your earning from three people and traffic from three people, you can enjoy earn. And after 1 month, three people can join, three three three, nine people. The nine people's traffic and website will start, and nine people pay the monthly package, and package and the traffic and website will start. Then the traffic creates and point creates, then you can get more to more money. You can benefit from nine people. So next month, three 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 three, nine three are 27 people will join under you. Then traffic will start of 27 people. Then your salary and your income will can get 27 people's examples. 27 people's traffic will uh, by the website domain etc created by the company, and it will create traffic, and your point will earn more to more money. And after 1 month, you can get extra benefit, and your income will be uh, 2 or 3 multiply. Just example, in Hindi I can say दो गुनी ती थ्री तीन गुनी etc. So your income will be more to more and growing very fast, because after public launch, news, TV, television, advertised by poster etc, then many people on the world will can join on passive. They can create more to more traffic, and you can get more to more money because you are a founder. And if you are a not founder, you are a public, then you can use the product of this company, and you can take membership of this company, and you can get also benefit. So this on passive is a good platform for removing poverty from world, because 216 216 countries will involved in this company is as a running in pre-launching. So 216 countries are uh, involved and join the people of 216 countries in on passive. The office is located Bangalore in India, and main office in Hyderabad in India, and Orlando in USA. So the target of this company office will soon in India. There are 10 offices, and in 216 countries one office will open of on passive. Example, in Orlando, office of on passive, and in future 216 countries will can get the office of on passive. So its office, how is office of on passive? It's very big, it's very standard, and the uh, employer are very enthusiastic and knowledgeable person, which has many knowledge, very knowledge about computer software, etc. That type of uh, employer can be selected which has 8 years of computer software. So this is most platform on passive. The international meeting by Zoom platform is on the Thursday at night. So who are founder, they can involved and they can join for the meeting which is related to international, and 216 countries people will join and on Thursday webinar. So just example I am giving you any other company, uh, what is difference between on passive and any other company. So if you will join other company, you have to do work by your mind or by your uh, physical. If you will join on passive, you don't have do to any work, only you can join on passive and you can get benefit more to more. And if you want to become a rich man immediately and in a certain time, in minimum time, then you have to work in on passive. What type of work? You can advertise the product which is related to on passive in the market. You can uh, join 3 people under you. So you, if you are join on passive, this is decided, you will be, you become a millionaire or billionaire, it is decided. So on passive is a platform which is related to world. It will be remove from poverty from world. So you can join in recently 3 December and 4 December. Hyderabad is most, which is a high tech city. So there are 28 Indian on passive leader have joined Hyderabad, and in Hyderabad they have enjoyed and they have uh, participate the webinar which is related to S. Mufarras sir. Who is S. Mufarras sir? S. Mufarras sir is a CEO of On Passive. He is related to USA. So he has 20 years network marketing experience. So Hyderabad visited 28 founders, Indian. So he have seen there a lot of arranges which is on passive related. Just examples, uh, one about one or two 1 or 2 thousand system in on passive company in Hyderabad first floor. If you will go Hyderabad, then you can uh, see the banner which is on passive related on bus stand, uh, out of office, etc. If you will go Bangalore, then you can see the poster and pamphlets, etc., which and board which is situated on passive and which designed by on passive. You can see the advertise which is by on passive. So on passive is a most platform for uh, develop your country, develop your money earning, developing your personality also. So on passive is a most and powerful platform. In future every country will use on passive product. Every person will use on passive product. There are a lots of people in the world who is using Android mobile. That type of people who is using Android mobile and they have a knowledge about mobile, they will use on passive product. It is necessary. So you should join on passive. If you want to join with us and you want to join on passive, then you can uh, select your language. Which language do you want to listen webinar? Webinar is available about 10 languages. So you can select and you can take registration. It's free. And you can WhatsApp me, then you can join on passive. After public launch, you cannot become a founder of on passive. So after public launch it is not possible. You should join on passive before public launch. So you can WhatsApp me your name, your Gmail, and your mobile number and your country name, then you can join. So if you have more to more information about on passive, then you can share me on my WhatsApp. And if you want to become a primary or secondary founder, then you can WhatsApp me. So it's available for the founder. So you should join immediately. Don't late. Thank you. We are in it to win it.